Welcome back. Today we will talk about why you should learn Go, the language of cloud computing. If you are a developer today, you are probably asking yourself one question. What language should I learn next so my skills don't become obsolete? TypeScript dominates the front end, Python owns machine learning. But there is one language quietly running the internet, and that language is Go. Go or Golang isn't the flashiest language. It doesn't have the biggest hype cycle, but it does power Kubernetes, Docker, cloud infrastructure, developer tools, and massive backend systems. In this video, I will explain what Go is, why it shines where other languages struggle, and why learning Go is one of the smartest long-term bets you can make, especially in the age of AI. At its core, Go is statically type compiled general-purpose programming language. That sounds boring, but here is why it matters. Unlike JavaScript or Python, Go compiles directly into a single executable binary. No runtime, no dependency hell, no magic. You build it once and you ship it anywhere. While TypeScript is mostly tied to the web and front-end ecosystem, Go is built for the systems behind the web, the infrastructure that actually makes everything work. Go wasn't created by accident. It was designed at Google by Robert Griesemer, Rob Pike, and Ken Thompson. Yet the Ken Thompson from Unix. It was designed in 2007, announced in 2009, and Go 1.0 released in 2012. Go forces you to understand types, data structures, and system boundaries early, without the ceremony of older languages like Java or C++. So most developers start with JavaScript or Python, and that's totally fine. But dynamic typing hides a lot of problems until production. With Go, you get safety without the pain. So it's okay if you started as a Python developer, then you can discover Go, and probably you will never want Go back. And honestly, that story is incredibly common. The next section, Go is technically general purpose, but in practice it dominates a few key areas like developer tooling, CLIs, version managers, internal tools, backend systems, fast APIs and servers, microservices, small, efficient, scalable services, and networking and infrastructure is the backbone of the cloud. If it runs in cloud, chances are Go is involved somewhere. Developer velocity. People love to talk about developer velocity, but velocity isn't just how fast can I write code. A senior C developer will always outpace a Go beginner, and that's not the point. A real velocity is how easy is it to understand an existing code base. How hard is it to shoot yourself in the foot? And can you take a task from idea to production without fighting the language? Go is opinionated, and that's a good thing. Less magic, less choice, and less cognitive load. You spend more time thinking about architecture, not syntax. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, AI. LLMs can already write functions, test, and boilerplate in seconds. So the question is, where does that leave developers? And the shift is happening right now, from coder to architect. And architecture lives in the backend, it lives in infrastructure, it lives in the cloud. Kubernetes, written in Go. Docker, Go. Cloud SDKs, often Go. AWS, GCP, Azure, Cloudflare, all heavily use Go under the hood. The next section, AI can help you write code, but it can't easily replace someone who understands distributed systems, networking, infrastructure, cloud architecture. So Go is the gateway to those skills. If you are a front-end developer wanting to move backend, or a PHP or .NET developer modernizing your stack, so Go is one of the cleanest paths forward. Go isn't about hype, it's about building systems that last. If you want to be more than just someone who writes code, if you want to design systems that power the cloud, then learning Go is one of the best investments you can make. Are you already using Go or thinking about learning it? Let me know in the comments. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.